ऐसा बोलते हैं कि जिनके घर में श्राद्ध नहीं होता उनके घर में बहुत सारे इश्यूज होते हैं. एंड इन माई फैमिली देयर वॉज ऑलवेज सम काइंड ऑफ एन इशू विद द विमेन इन द फैमिली. बेटियों के साथ हमेशा कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता था. देयर वॉज अ बेटी, बहुत पहले, शायद 4-5-6 जनरेशन पहले एक बेटी थी जिसके साथ बहुत गलत हुआ था लाइफ में. सो व्हाट शी डिड वाज, जो कुल देवी होती थी उन्होंने वहां से वो देवी की मूर्ति उठाई एंड शी जम्प्ड इनटू द तालाब. करेक्ट. शी किल्ड हरसेल्फ. मेरी एनर्जी उस बंदे को चूज करेगी. फॉर एग्जांपल, आई चूज समवन टू रिप्रेजेंट माय मदर. नाउ दैट पर्सन डजंट नो दैट आई हैव डॉक्टर योगेश और our family constellator has that person's energy in his mind, that my mother's energy in his mind, but I will choose that person and somehow there is no explanation.
That is true.
That's the beauty of the whole thing. Somehow that complete stranger who has never spoken to me before is going to start behaving exactly like my mother.
I think the first family constellation show which we did was online, जहाँ पे मुझे पता चला that there is a certain amount of energy that my step mother is actually holding on to me because she wanted the energy that I have today from my father. We were open about changing ourselves. This modality came into the picture, which is known as family constellation. Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to another episode of Happily Whatever After Relationship and
टिप्स एंड टेल्स.
अरे फिर भूल गया मैं टिप्स एंड.
तुम जानबूझ के करते हो क्या? करना
नहीं, मैं भूल जाता हूँ एक्चुअली में, बिकॉज हमारा पूरा 1 साल शो इसी हैप्पीली व्हाटएवर आफ्टर में निकला. हमारे इतने सारे एपिसोड गए, बट फिर भी हैप्पीली व्हाटएवर आफ्टर इज like written on everything right now. I cannot think beyond it because that's the life that we live, right?
Yes.
So that's how it is.
बहुत दिनों बाद दोस्तों हम वापस आ गए 1-on-1 पॉडकास्ट करने के लिए. अभी तक हम बहुत सारे गेस्ट से मिले, बहुत सारे थेरेपिस्ट से मिले, बहुत सारे एक्सपर्ट्स से मिले, हीलर्स से मिले, एंड आई होप वी हैव बीन एबल टू गिव यू सम नॉलेज, सम इंसाइट्स, some different ways to break your relationship patterns, probably heal your generational trauma, identify your generational trauma. So we are back today with a new kind of healing that we are going to talk about, which really changed Karan and my life.
Yes, I think more than healing, it's a modality that we call that how you look at life in general, because a lot of times you are generally stuck in life that कि इसका solution क्या है, और इतनी मेहनत करने के बाद भी solution नहीं मिलता है. तो I think we were also stuck in that phase where we were not able to find out that कि यार हम इस patterns को कैसे तोड़ें. And because we were open about changing ourselves, this modality came into the picture, which is known as family constellation.
Yeah. So basically what was happening was Karan and I were working on our relationship. There were a lot of issues that we were able to resolve through therapy. But there were also some issues that kept coming back after a few days or a month's time. Like, for instance, our communication issue would come back, or some kind of Karan will again go into his shell, and it will suddenly become like a cold relationship again. There would be no intimacy. So every few days, even though we were really working hard on the relationship, we were trying whatever we can through therapy, through self work, through shadow work, whatever we could, we did everything, and still हम somehow ऐसा फील करते थे कि अरे यार back to square one हो गया है. And there was a very specific pattern that used to happen to it, that every time हम सब कुछ कोशिश करते थे, सब ठीक होने लगता था, और फिर वापस से सब बिगड़ जाता था. And when I used to point it out to Karan, Karan used to get defensive and say that, okay, if this is going on and you're still feeling like this, then maybe we should just walk away from each other.
Yeah, and that happened multiple times. I think that was not once, that was not twice. I think that was 3 or 4 times in the relationship. तो आप लोग ये जर्नी देख सकते हो कि हमने सिर्फ अपनी लाइफ को और अपनी रिलेशनशिप को एंड करने का शादी के पहले नहीं सोचा था. अभी भी हम कभी कभी शादी के बाद भी सोचते थे, बट वी हैव नॉट गिवन अप ऑन ऑल ऑफ दोस थिंग्स. एंड
बट देयर वाज अ रीजन टू इट.
Yeah, there was a reason to it. Yes,
which we found out through
family constellation. Yes.
So which is what we were trying to figure out कि ये क्यों हो रहा है बार बार. मतलब so we were really like amazed कि ये क्या हो रहा है हमारे साथ, बार बार कैसे हो रहा है. लाइक शादी के बाद हुआ, 6 महीने के अंदर हुआ, फिर उसके बाद 5वें साल में हुआ. देन सडनली नाउ दैट वी वर्कड सो मच ऑन आवर सेल्व्स एंड पॉडकास्ट चालू है, सब कुछ चालू है, लेकिन उसके बाद भी हमारी ऐसी बातें हो रही है. सो वी वर बोथ वेरी शॉक्ड बाय द फैक्ट दैट हम ही कर रहे हैं ऑब्वियसली,
Yes.
बट ये क्यों हो रहा है,
Yeah.
ये हील क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, ये ठीक क्यों नहीं हो रहा है बेसिकली.
Yeah.
सो वी फाउंड आउट अबाउट दिस थिंग कॉल्ड फैमिली कॉन्स्टलेशन,
Yeah.
which is basically how do I explain it in a layman term?
Can we call it like a matrix of people coming together and sitting?
That's the process. I'm trying to explain the
Hmm.
modality basically.
So modality. So I think the best part to explain would be that ki, if you look at how humans are born, right? Humans are born with generations like कि आपके ancestors रहते हैं, आपके बुजुर्ग रहते हैं, जो इतने lineage से हम आते हैं,
I was
correct?
just
So that lineage, if you talk about, there are those DNAs and then the systems that we create in our family. So when I talk about systems, right, you and me talking right now at this moment is a system right now. When there is a family which has been going on since generation, it is a part of a system. We are
Yeah.
on earth, it is a part of a planetary system.
Yes.
If we are going to office or an organization, it is a part of a system.
Yeah.
So in this whole universe, technically everything is a system which is running, which is interlinked to each other.
Yeah.
So when we talk about families also, right, though it is a part of a system, but we are interlinked since generations and generations, and we are working in that system. So when we are working in that system, technically what happens is you try to make it पैटर्न ओरिएंटेड. आपके एक पैटर्न्स बिल्ड हो जाते हैं कि आपको एक तरीके से काम करना है, आपको लाइफ में इस तरीके से जीना है, एंड यू सेट सर्टेन रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस इन दोज लाइफ दैट यू आर लिविंग राइट नाउ. सो दैट इज व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आई वुड लाइक टू स्टार्ट ऑफ विद दिस एपिसोड इज. This is technically a link to family constellation. Now, how do you do it? I think you will be the better person to tell people about it.
Also, I wanted to connect this something similar to what the concept of Pitrupaksh
Yeah.
or Shraddh that we already have in our culture.
Yeah.
That we have set aside a specific time in the year where we honor our ancestors.
Yeah.
Where we remember them, where we sort of feed their soul.
Correct.
And acknowledge their presence
Correct.
in our life. ऐसा बोलते हैं कि जिनके घर में श्राद्ध नहीं होता उनके घर में बहुत सारे इश्यूज होते हैं.
Correct.
And in my personal experience, in my family, there was always some kind of an issue with the women in the family, with the girls. बेटियों के साथ हमेशा कुछ प्रॉब्लम होता था.
Yeah.
So we found out, now this was not through family constellation, but through Jyotish and those kind of predictions, we found out that हमारी lineage में, हमारी ancestry में there was a बेटी.
Correct.
बहुत पहले, शायद 4, 5, 6 जनरेशन पहले एक बेटी थी जिसके साथ बहुत गलत हुआ था लाइफ में, और वो बेटी जो थी वो इतनी गुस्सा हो गई,
Correct.
इतनी दर्द में थी वो, इतनी परेशान थी वो, इतनी गुस्सा हो गई कि उसका भगवान पे से विश्वास उठ गया.
Yeah.
और वो एंड दिस आई एम टेलिंग द स्टोरी ऑन माई मदर्स साइड.
Yeah.
सो व्हाट शी डिड वाज, जो कुल देवी होती थी उस टाइम पे तो लाइक छोटा सा मंदिर होता था और व्हाटएवर, उन्होंने वहां से वो देवी की मूर्ति उठाई एंड शी जम्प्ड इनटू द तालाब.
Correct.
शी किल्ड हरसेल्फ.
Yeah.
सो हमारी कुलदेवी चली गई उनके साथ एंड बहुत पेन में चली गई बिकॉज दैट वुमन, दैट बेटी जो घर की थी वो बहुत दर्द में शी गेव हर लाइफ. तो उन्होंने खुदकुशी की थी. लाइक इट वाज दैट पेनफुल फॉर हर, शी चोज टू एंड दैट लाइफ. सो दैट काइंड ऑफ पुट अ कर्स ऑन द होल फैमिली. दैट कुछ भी हो, या तो लड़कियों के ऊपर कोई विपदा आ जाती है, जैसे मेरी मम्मी के साथ हुआ. Like she got into an accident and she was in a
coma for 3 years. Yeah.
And या तो फिर दूसरी जो दीदियाँ थी हमारे घर में, जो मासियाँ थी, उनके साथ ऐसी छोटी मोटी चीजें होती रहती थी कॉन्स्टेंटली. किसी के बच्चे के साथ प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, किसी को प्रेगनेंसी में प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, किसी की शादी टूट जा रही है. तो they were always suffering. So eventually some पंडित जी told us that आपकी जो कुल देवी हैं वो इस तालाब के नीचे हैं.
Correct.
और आप इस तरीके से उनको मंदिर बनवा के वापस से स्थापित कीजिए.
Yeah.
उसके बाद ही your family will be restored.
Restored. Yeah.
And your family will be able to live happily, and you will have to ask for a lot of forgiveness
Yeah.
from that one person who died. So now this was a bigger process, right? कि हमने कुलदेवी पहले तो तालाब से निकलवाई, फिर उनके लिए मंदिर बनवाया, फिर मंदिर के बाद अभी भी मंदिर बन ही रहा है, it's under construction, so it's been a this thing of 4-5 years.
Correct.
But at the same time, things have already started to improve in the family. We were already able to see those changes, that we said sorry to the ancestor, and we said that bless us. So the changes have started to happen. Now it has come to that point that we are able to see that how, मतलब बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग थे जिन्होंने लॉजिक के बिना पे बोल दिया कि ये क्या बात होती है, वो तो पंडित हमसे पैसे लेने के लिए बोल रहा है, ये कर रहा है, वो कर रहा है. There are always those kind of
those will be there. You cannot stop those people, but then it's a belief that you have to follow something.
So the same thing जो हमें पंडित जी ने बताया और जो हम 1-1.5 साल से कर रहे हैं, वो सेम प्रोसेस बेसिकली हैपेंस एनर्जेटिकली इन फैमिली कॉन्स्टेलेशन. सो आप ऐसे इमेजिन करो कि ये सेम केस मैं आपको समझाती हूँ कि अगर मैंने ये डाला होता केस, फैमिली कॉन्स्टेलेशन के जो एक्सपर्ट हैं, मैं उनके पास जाती और उनको मैं बोलती कि सर मेरे साथ ये प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, मैंने ये पैटर्न देखा है अपनी लाइफ में, तो मुझे क्या करना चाहिए. फिर वो मुझसे एक क्वेश्चन मांगते कि आपको मेन इशू क्या है. सो आई वुड हैव सेड कि हमारे यहाँ पे कोई भी लड़की जो है वो अच्छी सी लाइफ नहीं जी पाती है, तो एनर्जेटिकली क्या प्रॉब्लम है. तो जब उन्होंने ये केस डाला होता, तो अब इसमें क्या होता है कि आप बेसिकली इमेजिन करो कि एक बड़ा सा हॉल है और हॉल में लोग गोल सर्कल में बैठे हैं.
करेक्ट.
और वो जो लोग बैठे हैं वो कंप्लीट स्ट्रेंजर्स हैं. आप उनको नहीं पहचानते. और आपने ये क्वेश्चन आपके फैमिली कॉन्स्टेलेशन एक्सपर्ट से पूछा है. नाउ दैट एक्सपर्ट इज गोइंग टू कॉल दीज रैंडम पीपल हु डोंट नो योर स्टोरी और यू, ओके, एंड ही इज गोइंग टू पुट अप दिस क्वेश्चन इन हिज माइंड एंड स्टार्ट चूजिंग रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स. लाइक एक गेम होता है तो उसमें हम कैसे डिसाइड करते हैं कि ये दान देगा, right? कि ये दाम देगा ऐसे. So he starts choosing. He tells me that okay Shokhi, I have a role in my mind. Now you choose. इनमें से कौन इंसान वो रोल प्ले करेगा. तो मेरी एनर्जी उस बंदे को चूज करेगी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई चूज समवन टू रिप्रेजेंट माई मदर. नाउ दैट पर्सन डजंट नो दैट आई हैव डॉक्टर योगेश और आवर फैमिली कॉन्स्टेलेटर हैज दैट पर्सन्स energy in his mind, that my mother's energy in his mind, but I will choose that person, and somehow there is no explanation.
That is true.
That's the beauty of the whole thing. Somehow that complete stranger who has never spoken to me before is going to start behaving exactly like my mother.
So there is no logic behind it. I think the most beautiful part I would say that is that आप जैसे ही वो फील्ड में उतरते हो और आप जैसे ही वो रोल लेते हो, करेक्ट, और यू आर बीन आस्क्ड और you have asked some person to take that role, whatever you have in mind or that felicitator have in mind, is they start feeling those emotions that person was feeling through. So for an example, when the family constellation happens, I can say that if Shokhi has chosen that person to be the mother, probably she will feel a throbbing headache in her head or
because
his head, whoever it might be a male, it might be a female,
that doesn't matter.
But then suddenly that person will start feeling those, you can say emotions or those vibrations or those energies inside the body, and they will start saying that कि यार मेरा सर दर्द दे रहा है, मेरे बॉडी में इशू हो रहा है, मेरा हेडेक हो रहा है, मुझे नींद आ रही है, I just want to
was in a comatose state.
I just want to lay down, I feel lethargic. So all of those energies start popping up on the field, which we call it like a matrix, जिसको हम बोलते हैं. So that is what actually happens in a family constellation. And then slowly and steadily what happens is it's not only one person coming into the field, there might be multiple people who will be selected to play the role of your family with or the issues that you have with. And then slowly and steadily, as the felicitator of family constellation person who is doing, which is our felicitator, will technically unravel those patterns or those emotions or those traumas that has been carried on for generations and generations, and then will release it. and that is when the magic happens. Is suddenly you will see that ki there is some kind of acknowledgement which is technically been given to the ancestors, some kind of release which has happened to these patterns, some kind of vibrational changes that has happened in the whole journey that you are being born with, or why are these patterns happening. And then the next day, or probably in a week's time, or in whatever time duration you call, there you will see that changes coming into your life. So with that, I think we would go to how it changed for both of us, show.
Yes. So now let us come to the juicy part.
Yes.
Let us tell you what happened in our family constellation when we decided to put it, and we decided to put it from Karan's side,
Yeah.
Karan's point of view, because mostly Karan was the one always telling in the relationship that okay, तुम अगर इतनी नाखुश हो तो मुझे छोड़ के चली जाओ,
Yeah.
मुझे चलेगा, मैं अकेले रह लूँगा, मैं तुम्हें
Yeah.
खुश नहीं रख पा रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
And it used to be very hurtful. So
Yeah.
we decided that ये तो थेरेपी से भी ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, किसी भी तरीके से ठीक नहीं हो रहा है, तो let's put up a case on the family constellation.
Yeah.
So now we did a family constellation for Karan's family, and what we found out was
Yes, I'll tell the story. So I think the first family constellation show which we did was online, जहाँ पे हम लोग मुझे पता चला कि that you know there is a certain amount of energy that my step mother is actually holding on to me, because she wanted the energy that I have today from my father. I was like surprised by that thing. Now why was that happening also we came to know at that point of time is that
again I would like to remind you guys that this was happening in a complete group of strangers.
Yeah.
There was a person who was representing Karan, behaving and saying the same things that Karan used to say.
Yeah.
There was a person who was behaving exactly like Karan's father.
Yeah.
There was a person behaving exactly like Karan's mom.
Yeah.
And then came a third person
Yeah.
who was with Karan's father.
Yeah.
So we did 2 plus 1, 2
Yeah.
plus 2.
Yeah.
And we figured that okay, this will be Karan's stepmother.
Yeah. Yeah. So it's very spooky also. Sometimes people will
Yeah,
think
it
ये
is
कैसे
fully
होता है.
spooky, yeah.
But logical brain will always call that कि यार ये तो बनी
But
बनाई
I
चीज ही
think
है.
this तो even logic can't
Logic
explain,
doesn't- so
right?
that's
क्योंकि
what-
तुमने उनसे कभी पहले बात ही नहीं करी है.
Yeah.
Dr. Yogesh, the facilitator that we have for family constellation, is not telling them anything.
Yeah.
It's only confidential between us and Dr. Yogesh because we are doing
Yeah.
the constellation. So
Yeah.
how will you explain logically that a third person sitting in Nasik
Yeah.
who has only seen you today
Yeah. For the first time.
for the first time,
Yeah.
spoken to you today for the first time, found out your name today for the first time,
Yeah.
is behaving and saying the exact same words.
things. Yeah, so that's a part of it. But again, for people, logic does not create magic.
Yes.
So that's what we always go with. So sometimes in life, you have to keep aside the logics and you have to just move on in life and understand why are these things happening. So मेरे लिए एक बोलते ना eye opener था that my stepmother had the energy on me. Why was that energy on me? Is because the kind of personality that today I have become. She was expecting that my father will also be the same kind of personality that she always wanted to be, like a well-educated, read, and a lot of life में challenges accept करना सब कुछ stable job and
good money,
good money,
income.
good income. तो उसने वो रखा था. But now understand that she had an energy on me and she was holding on to my energy where I was not successful in my relationship with Shoki.
So would you say that हम इसको बोलचाल की भाषा में नजर बोल सकते हैं?
हाँ, नजर लगाना. You can say that कि यार नजर लगी हुई थी हमारे ऊपर, which
Yeah.
we had released, and then we had to come out of it. And then the second thing which I came to know in the same constellation was that I was holding on to my mother and father's energy, where I was saying to myself in the energy part, not vocally, but somewhere down the line, back of the mind में जो चीज़ें चलती है जो तुम आप देखते रहते हो, that if it's okay, if the person is not happy with me, let's depart. So the way my mother and father got divorced, I was completely okay to let go of this relationship. So now this is something which happened to me when I was making my family tree with Dr. Yogesh also show. उसमें मुझे ये पता चला कि Unfortunately, whether it is my mother's maternal side or whether it is my paternal side, both of these places, if the relationship is broken, correct, that at that point of time the children's have suffered the losses of not having a successful marriage, or they have had a marriage, had a kid, and then broken the marriage, or they have married, they have been there for 6 months or 12 months or a year or two, and then they have separated. So this has been going on since ages or generation. So when I start
6 or 7 generations.
6 or 7 generations that has been happening.
Wow.
And I was completely shocked that कि ये जो पूरे पैटर्न चलते हुए आ रहे हैं, ये तो generations से चलते हुए आ रहे हैं. So somewhere down the line I had that confidence, and God has been kind, or you can say I was quite hopeful that I will make a different life, and this modality came to me, family constellation,
To
where I
release
understood
that.
that I had to release these patterns and become the cycle breaker in my family.
Yeah.
If I don't break this cycle, probably I will also not have that beautiful relationship with Shoki. I will also, be in the same cycle and have the same life that has been happening for generations. So that made me make a choice that कि नहीं, मुझे अपना stand लेना है, मुझे अपनी life create करनी है, and I want to release all of those issues that has been going on since generation.
Yeah. And it was also kind of a relief for you and me to find out that हमारी गलती नहीं है.
Yeah, ये तो चले हुए आ रहा है.
हमने सब कुछ ट्राई कर लिया था, बट हमारी गलती नहीं है. This was a generational loyalty
Yes.
that you had
Yeah.
to 7-8 generations of
Yeah.
your family.
Yes. Yes.
And it was so spooky, guys, to just see when Karan made me realize that मतलब मासी के बेटे हैं जिनमें से एक की शादी टूट चुकी है, मामा के बेटे हैं जिनकी एक की शादी टूट चुकी है,
Yeah.
या बेटी की शादी टूट चुकी है.
मौसी है, मौसी की भी दूसरी शादी हुई है, दूसरा हस्बैंड भी एक्सपायर हो गया, उसके जो बच्चे हैं, दोनों बच्चों का डाइवोर्स हो गया है, बोथ ऑफ देम आर अनहैप्पी, एंड इट
So there
वाज शॉकिंग फॉर मी कि यार ये क्या हो रहा है.
There was no single happily married relationship
Yeah.
in the family
Yeah.
on both sides.
Yeah. Yeah.
And we were basically headed down the same path,
Yeah.
no matter how hard we tried.
Yeah.
So
And one more
Finally-
thing, Sho. Finally, I also got, when we did the online thing, right? We released one more thing which I used to always tell you that कि यार शो नहीं, मेरे को कुछ नहीं चाहिए, मेरे को पूरा घर बार संसार छोड़ के चले जाना है, and I don't want to
संन्यास की बातें करता था करण.
Yeah, I used to be like, क्या छोड़ना दुनिया में रखा, क्या इतना पेन देख लिया लाइफ
Like
में.
imagine.
It's just going away and not having everything.
And I used to be so baffled. I was like, फिर शादी क्यों करी तुमने मुझसे?
Yeah.
करना ही यही करना था तो पहले ही चले जाते साधु बाबा. मुझे क्यों फंसाया?
Yeah, and I came to know that there was my मौसा जी, ठीक है, जो शादी की थी उन्होंने, again not a successful marriage, he did not have a successful marriage, he
Yeah.
did not have a kid, and he had left his marriage, he had tremendous losses in business, everything happened, सब कुछ छोड़ छाड़ के he had taken a priesthood in a temple, मतलब वो जाके मंदिर में पंडित का काम करता था. तो I had somewhere down the line as a kid taken over his energy as a loyal person कि आपको लाइफ अच्छी नहीं मिली है तो मैं भी ये लाइफ चूज करूंगा. It was an unconscious choice that I
Yeah,
had taken into.
It's what they called hidden loyalties in
Yeah.
family constellation.
Yeah. So I had a hidden loyalty towards my Mausaji, and I was feeling that because of that person जो दुनियादारी छोड़ के, संसार छोड़ के बाहर चला गया है. And that is where the eye opener happening. That is when we saw that these are the patterns that we both are doing in the relationship,
Yeah.
especially me, not Shoki. And then we had to break the pattern and live a happily whatever after life.
Yes. And but यहाँ पे खत्म नहीं हुआ था.
Yeah.
There was another family constellation that we had to do,
Yeah.
in which we found out that Karan is somewhere still seeking validation or still seeking love from his mother.
Yeah.
And hence, in directing all of that energy towards his mother, he's not able to have a good life with me.
Yeah.
He's constantly... So in real life, nothing like that is happening.
Yeah.
In real life, everything is going as per it is.
Yeah.
And the relationship between Karan and his mom is in a stalemate state.
Yeah.
But at the same time, internally somewhere, the inner child that Karan has, or whatever feelings Karan has, is of still seeking validation, still
Yeah.
seeking acknowledgement, still seeking love
Yeah.
from his mother, because he never got it as a child.
Yeah.
So we had to resolve that also,
Yeah.
after which we don't know that what happened, what changed,
Yeah.
because there are also times where it affects in a bad way, because we were fighting a lot
Yeah.
after that particular
particular
constellation.
incident. Yes.
but also I look at it as a way that all the negative energy got released,
Yeah.
and finally we were able to come to a place where we were stronger, much better,
Yeah.
and hopefully in a better place.
So I will tell you the timeline also, guys. This year, 6th of Jan, correct? We did that 7th of Jan. We did a family constellation at our home, the constellation which Shoki did, and exactly after 3 months, correct, which was 6th of April, correct, I met my parents and told them whatever I felt as a childhood, and that was the first time in my life that I made sure that the broken family that I have, I meet them at a garden, I meet them with love, I greet them, and I made sure that at least once in my life I see a happy family in 37 years of my life. Because since childhood मैंने कभी भी अपने मदर फादर और सिस्टर को एक साथ हंसते खेलते नहीं देखा था. सो आई थिंक दैट वाज द मोस्ट stronger moment for me. I think I started believing more in family constellation, because that whole weight that I was carrying on since childhood, I had to release. And before that, before meeting them, जो मैंने पहली family constellation करी, उसके पहले मैंने बताया नहीं थे. I think that was in last year अक्टूबर में मैंने करी थी वो family constellation, अक्टूबर 2023 में. And November 2023 में I met my father, who I was not talking to for last 23 years. I had the guts to go and confess him that, Dad, you did so much bad to the family, and I was able to release that energy. And trust me, guys, today I am in talking terms with my father after so many years.
And he also acknowledged that yes,
he had done the mistake.
I had done those mistakes.
So that's the power of family constellation, guys. I hope
Karan is getting emotional right
yeah.
now.
So
you can see how powerful, how impactful it has been in our life.
Yeah.
We hope that you are able to understand with our little knowledge. And if you're not, then the next episode is going to be all about how this family constellation works with an expert.
Yes.
Okay, so Dr. Yogesh, who did this family constellation for me and Karan,
Yeah.
is going to come as a guest
Yes.
and explain to us all the questions that we have
Yeah.
about family constellations.
Yeah.
So stay tuned for the next episode, guys.
Yes.
And this was just a trailer. Picture abhi baki hai
Yeah,
mere
mere
dost.
dost. So yes, guys, this is it from our side. We love you. We are, loving you guys more and more, because we are right now just being happy on the days when we see the followership of our podcast going up and up and up.
And so many of you are reaching out and
Yeah.
appreciating our work. Our heart is so full.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. We are so full of gratitude for each and every one of you.
Yes.
क्योंकि अगर आप लोग नहीं होते तो हम लोग नहीं होते. आप लोग नहीं सुनते तो पॉडकास्ट नहीं
Podcast
बनता.
So it has almost been 1.5 years right now.
Yes.
So it's a brilliant thing that कि हम ना रुके नहीं 1-1.5 साल में.
Yes.
So that's only and only because of your love. That is only and only because of what you guys have given us, and
You've given us a new purpose.
new purpose in life, and we are here to help you. As we always say, it's our journey, and whatever we have taken best of our from our life, we would like to give it to you, and that is our sole purpose. To be in happily whatever after. So
Yeah.
as we always say, that you are not alone in this. We are
Yes.
with you in happily whatever after. So please do not forget to
Like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time we release a new episode, which is every Tuesday now.
Yes. See you guys. Bye bye. Thank you.
Bye.